Hi everyone, welcome to Asedoskitchen. Today I'm skipping heavy stews for this light and perfectly balanced vegetable dish. I'm steaming cabbage and capsicums to unlock their natural sweetness, proving that cabbage is not boring. Find the ingredients in the description box and follow these steps. I add cabbage into a pot with a little water. For reference purposes, I'd say this is roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. I let this steam on low for 2 minutes. Then I add extra virgin olive oil, followed by the spices and seasoning. I'm using curry powder, paprika, garlic powder, oregano, turmeric, and vegeta. I add tomatoes and mix to combine. I don't need to add any water, but if the cabbage is too dry, feel free to add a little water as needed. Since we're slow steaming this, not much water is needed. At this point, I add the onion and capsicums. I'm using red, green, and yellow capsicums. I stir to combine and add a little water and let it steam on the lowest heat setting for 4 to 5 minutes. Skip the water if not needed. I let this steam on the lowest heat setting for the whole time. This cooking method preserves nutrients in the vegetables, making this meal as satisfying as any meat dish. Our cabbage is now cooked, so I adjust salt to taste and give it a minute to blend in. Then I turn the heat off. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments section how yours turned out. The cabbage is now ready to serve and the kitchen smells amazing. I served it on a bed of rice and my kids love it so much. This can also be served with ugali, bread rolls, or chapati. And if you want to keep things light and simple, it can be eaten by itself. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.